Within the UK there are said to be two powerful ley lines, the Michael and Mary lines. The Michael line, which was first mapped by John Mitchell, crosses England from east to west, starting near Great Yarmouth, on the Norfolk coast, and ending at St. Michael's Mount, on the western tip of Cornwall. The Michael line is in close alignment to the May Day sunrise. These sunrises were marked by a festival called Beltane, named after the Celtic sun god. It's been suggested that the rising of the sun on the Beltane could have coincided with beacons lit along the Michael line to celebrate it. The Mary line is thought to be more meandering and entwines around the Michael line, meeting at certain points. Dowsers say that the energies they feel for each line are different. The Michael line is solar and masculine, while the Mary line is lunar and feminine. Each line has been found passing through sacred sites such as Glastonbury Tor, Avebury, and Royston Cave. Royston Cave is one of a few sites that both the Michael and Mary lines are thought to cross over, which makes it a very special place for ley line believers. Interestingly, from Royston, the Michael line follows a path to Baldock, where the Knights Templar had a strong hold, and the Mary line leads to the site of a Templar priory at Little Wymondley and another at Temple Dinsley. Many attribute Royston Cave to the Knights Templar, and some believe that the Templars were skilled in the art of dowsing and could redirect the energy lines. Of course, there is no scientific proof that these lines exist. Statisticians argue that they are just coincidental alignments of otherwise unrelated features, and, because dowsing is an intuitive practice and therefore subjective, electromagnetic equipment cannot pick up the energy traces that dowsers or psychics can feel. However, to those who do believe, Royston Cave, and the lines that cross there, remains deeply spiritual and significant. So, what defines a ley line? The supposed straight line of a prehistoric track usually between hilltops. This is the general and most widely accepted description of a ley line. But what, then, do they have to do with allegedly haunted places? Ley lines are alignments and patterns of powerful, invisible earth energy said to connect various sacred sites, such as churches, temples, stone circles, megaliths, holy wells, burial sites, and other locations of spiritual or magical importance. The scientific belief, as previously explained, is that these lines are areas of altered magnetic fields. The more spiritual and romantic belief is that they ooze back the energy from all the people who have trodden these mystical, religious paths since time began. So, why are hauntings reported in places ley lines are alleged to pass through?